Welcome back to another episode of Hit or Miss TCG. Today I'm going to be opening up Destined Rivals English. See if we get anything good or if Team Rocket took my money. Code card. I don't think I'll ever pull that out like right side up. Alright, so we got Steel or Metal Energy, Arvin Squovit, Team Rocket's Nidoran Female, I'm all shaky, Mo Rotom, Growlithe, Huntail, Ethan's Pinsir. That's actually kind of cool looking. I like them leaves. Sacred Ash. So that's what happened to him, huh? Reverse Holo Mudbray. Steven Skarmory. And I got robbed. Team Rocket Zapdos. Yeah. Come back tomorrow. We'll see you again then. Have a wonderful day. I am not sure what we'll be ripping tomorrow, but we will be ripping something. Have a wonderful day.